Hi. Today we will show you how to apply the ultra clear protector on Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Make sure you are under bright lighting and dust-free zone for perfect results. Applying the protector before bedtime and leaving it aside overnight is highly recommended. Inside the package, you will find a cleaning kit and the protector. We add an extra pair of protectors in the package, in case you mess up. Let's make the soap solution now. This solution is necessary to apply the protector precisely. Start by taking some water in a bowl. Add 2 to 3 drops of baby shampoo or mild hand wash to it and mix. Remove the strap from the watch and keep it aside while applying the protector. Let's get started with the application. Take the microfiber cloth and clean the dial of all smudges and dust. Wet your fingers and slowly peel the protector from the backing. Then, dip the protector completely in the soap solution. Remove it from the bowl and get rid of the excess solution. Apply the protector on the dial while aligning the edges. If you notice any misalignment, carefully readjust the protector until perfect. The solution under the protector will help you move it easily. Take any available debit or credit card and wrap it with the microfiber cloth and use it as a squeegee. Once you are sure of the alignment, push out the solution using the squeegee. If the protector moves from the place, simply realign it. Hold the protector in place and push out the solution from the other side. Clean the excess solution with the microfiber cloth. Once done, leave the watch aside for 5 to 10 minutes so the excessive solution dries out. And you are done with the dial protector application. Let's move on to the bottom now. Wet your fingers and slowly peel the inner circle protector from the backing. Then, dip the protector completely in the soap solution. Remove it from the bowl and get rid of the excess solution. Apply the protector on the inner circle while aligning the edges. Once you are sure of the alignment, hold the protector in place and gently start pushing out the excess solution. Once done, leave the watch aside for 5 to 10 minutes so the excessive solution dries out. Repeat the same for the outer circle protector and start applying it to the watch. After aligning the protector, hold it down in place and gently push out the solution. Clean the excess solution with the microfiber cloth. Once done, leave the watch aside for 5 to 10 minutes so the excessive solution dries out. And you are done with the body protector application. Your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is now safe from scratches and fingerprints with Gadgetshieldz 360-degree protector. Gadgetshieldz, the trusted name in device protection.